I go like grow DNA. I go like the DNA. It's dey important because things wey dey happen these days, guy, you can never tell.
So if I'm sincere, why not? I would.
Actually, there are some things that are best not known. So even if I know sabi that kind thing, I might not be suspicious, and I'll roll with it.
If I don't trust my wife, at least I can go ahead and do it. But if there is trust there, what's the need for doing DNA? There's no need.
So I feel say no dey right. Na my own opinion be that.
I think you should do a DNA test before it gets too late.
Actually, I don't think that would be necessary. As long as my husband can trust me and I can trust him too, so there won't be a reason for that. Because even if he goes for the test, definitely it's going to be his kids. And I don't think I don't think there'll be an act of infidelity between me and my husband.
I no go happy but I go allow for peace to reign. I know say if you do that DNA, since I get those children, in conscience go judge them.
You can give birth to a child and then he may not likely look like your husband, neither yourself. So you might be confused, like what is going on. Then if he wants to go ahead, why not? It's fine.
Now the kind of understanding way we get, if na person maybe say I dey relate with very well, and I know say okay fine, he dey very very informative, then he go dey alright. And I know if you marry person wey dey informative, so I go know say na for the betterment of all of us.
Make we go. We will carry the kids go now. I ain't go carry last.
I feel say as then they grow.
Now that one I never know, but the earlier the better. So I go maybe immediately, sha.
Immediately we born the children, he did better.
It's when he decides that it's not me that will give him that idea. He's one that will come up with it. So anytime when he say he won't do, oh yeah, now more go.
Immediately she born the pikin. If you know if you harm the pikin, I go do immediately she born am.